Welcome to TechFinance, your premier destination for insightful discussions at the intersection of technology and finance. In today's digital age, the pursuit of financial security and independence has taken on new dimensions. One of the most effective strategies for achieving these goals is the cultivation of passive income sources. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve deep into the myriad reasons why building passive income streams should be a cornerstone of your financial strategy. The significance of passive income. Passive income, often hailed as the holy grail of personal finance, represents income earned with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. Unlike the traditional model of trading time for money, passive income empowers individuals to generate revenue streams that work for them, even when they're not actively working. This fundamental shift in mindset from linear to residual income is key to achieving financial freedom and unlocking a world of opportunities. Financial freedom. At the heart of the allure of passive income lies the promise of financial freedom. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that money is being deposited into your bank account, irrespective of whether you're punching a time clock or attending meetings. By diversifying your income streams and cultivating passive sources of revenue, you liberate yourself from the shackles of traditional employment. No longer are you solely reliant on a single paycheck. Instead, you create a robust financial foundation that provides stability and security for the future. Diversification and risk mitigation. Another compelling reason to build passive income sources is diversification. Relying solely on a single source of income, such as a job or a sole business venture, exposes you to significant financial risk. Economic downturns, industry disruptions, or unforeseen circumstances can jeopardize your financial stability overnight. However, by spreading your income across multiple passive streams, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or digital assets, you mitigate risk and safeguard against volatility in any one sector or industry. Time freedom. Passive income isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming your most valuable asset, time. Unlike active income, which demands constant time and effort to maintain, passive income affords you the luxury of time freedom. Picture yourself enjoying leisurely mornings, pursuing hobbies, or traveling the world, all while your passive income streams continue to flow. By decoupling your earning potential from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job, you create a lifestyle that prioritizes experiences and fulfillment over mere financial gain. Wealth generation and legacy building. Beyond the immediate benefits of financial freedom and time flexibility, passive income serves as a potent vehicle for wealth generation and legacy building. Through the power of compounding, passive income has the potential to grow exponentially over time. By reinvesting your earnings and harnessing the magic of compound interest, you accelerate your journey towards wealth accumulation and long-term prosperity. Whether your aspirations include early retirement, philanthropic endeavors, or leaving a lasting legacy for future generations, passive income provides the means to turn your dreams into reality. Overcoming common misconceptions. Despite its undeniable appeal, passive income is often shrouded in myths and misconceptions. Some individuals mistakenly believe that passive income requires vast sums of capital or specialized skills to get started. In reality, the beauty of passive income lies in its accessibility and scalability. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a novice entrepreneur, there are myriad opportunities to generate passive income, from rental properties and peer-to-peer lending to affiliate marketing and digital product sales. The role of technology. In today's digital landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in democratizing access to passive income opportunities. Online platforms and digital marketplaces have leveled the playing field, enabling individuals to monetize their skills, expertise, and creativity with unprecedented ease. Whether you're launching an e-commerce store, creating digital content, or investing in cryptocurrencies, technology empowers you to tap into the vast potential of passive income generation from virtually anywhere in the world. The decision to build passive income sources is not merely a financial strategy. It's a life-changing commitment to unlocking your full potential and shaping the future you desire. From financial freedom and risk mitigation to time flexibility and wealth accumulation, passive income offers a pathway to prosperity that transcends traditional notions of employment and earning. So, seize the opportunity to embark on your passive income journey today and discover the boundless possibilities that await on the path to financial independence. As we come to the end of our exploration into the world of passive income, I hope you've gained valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your own journey towards financial freedom. Remember, building passive income sources is not just a financial strategy. It's a mindset shift that empowers you to take control of your financial destiny and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. If you found this content valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on technology, finance, and wealth building. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us at TechFinance. Until next time, stay curious, stay ambitious, and keep striving for greatness. Here's to a future filled with endless possibilities and boundless prosperity.